So Tereza, you are the local coordinator for Usti in the network of Prevent. We organized a lot of sessions of bilateral meetings, and Usti chosen Nantes. Could you explain why?
Yes, well, during the meeting in Stockholm and Gijón, we had an opportunity to learn good practices of project partners. I think they were all interesting, but for us, some of them seemed not to be so much transferable to our conditions. And we really liked this good practice of Nantes, which is called Club Plus, school clubs, and this is something we think we can adjust and implement, and the whole idea is interesting for us. So we wanted to learn it in details.
Okay. Transferability is not so easy, we know about it, but could you tell us what did you learn, or what kind of elements were especially interesting after your 2 days visit?
Well, we see how it works in reality, which was nice, interesting, but for me another interesting information was that this club is just one part of the whole program, which is called Program of Educational Success, and that there are some other interesting elements. I personally like the idea of this Discovery Club. This is something which maybe could be transferable somehow to our conditions too, so I think we can present it in our next a local supergroup, and we can discuss it if it's possible, and also the idea of individual approach one-one, which is another part of the program, seems interesting. So okay. We'll discuss it.
Okay. Starry, you are well, from the NGO People in Need, and you are quite involved in the local group of Usti. Could you tell us some words after your visit in Nantes? What was especially interesting for you? What did you learn, maybe?
The whole Prevent project is about reaching the parents, and we visited one school. We had the opportunity to meet some parents and a principal of that school, and I still remember, and I have it in written, some tools we can also use in Czech conditions to reach the parents, because the schools in Czech Republic, some schools, most of the schools I can say, still don't know how to get these parents more involved in their children's education. So I think it's really good to have these informations and see these practices.
Okay, thank you both of you. Good travel back, and see you soon in Usti for a transnational meeting.
Yeah, thank you as well.